Hey friends, today we are going to learn a little bit about point of view. Point of view is the view from which the story is told. Who is telling the story? Is it the narrator or the author? Or is it a character from the story? First person is often one of the ways that a story is written. One of the characters in a first-person story is often telling the story. You will know that a story is written in first person by the words me, we, our, I, and my. Notice the character is always involved when using those words me, we, our, I, and my. A couple of examples of stories that are written in the first person point of view are the true story of Three Little Pigs told by the Big Bad Wolf and the Diary of a Wimpy Kid, as the story is often told from Greg's point of view. The next point of view that we are going to be focusing on is third person. In third person point of view, the author, the person who wrote the story, or the narrator is telling the story with their characters in mind. If you give a mouse a cookie is told by the author using the words, if you give a mouse a cookie, he will do this next, using the pronouns he, she, they, them, her, or him. Same as in the story series Harry Potter. The author, J.K. Rowling here, uses the pronouns he, she, they, them, her, and him all throughout her stories. Now, good luck to you today, friends, as you continue your coursework on point of view.